Hey, what's going on, you guys? Ben Storick here, also known as The Gambler. Today I have really exciting news. Just got a package in from Heli Direct, and that's always exciting. So let's take a look at what we got. Look at that, guys, the iSDT X16 charger. This is like the latest and greatest and newest, most amazing charger ever. So I'm super excited to open the box and give you guys my first look on it. So let's turn it around to the back here and look at some of the numbers. As you can see there, input voltage AC 100 to 240 volts, which means that it has a built-in power supply. And I believe it only runs AC, so as long as you have an outlet, a generator, or at your house, you'll be good to go. But it really simplifies everything. Normally you need a power supply with your charger, so no more power supply needed. It's great. So this thing does like 800 watts per channel. There's 2 channels, so it does 800 watts per channel at 110 volts. And then if you have 220, you can do 1100 watts on each channel, which that is a lot of power. Charging current from 1 to 20 amps, discharge current 0.5 amp to 3 amps. The balance current's 1.5 amps per cell. And you can charge like all your LiPo batteries, Lifey, high voltage LiPos, 2 to 16S. So, I mean, that's a great range. Whatever you need to charge, you could charge it on this. So I know you guys want to see what the charger looks like. So do I. This is my first impression. I haven't opened this yet. So let's get to it. Wow, look at that packaging, guys. That's amazing. So we have your, looks like your instruction manual here. Looks like maybe a screen protector of some sort. That's really nice. I like that. Nobody likes scratched screens, so there you go. Yep, there's your instruction manual. Everything that you would need to know about this charger is there. Looks like I have some reading to do. Okay, let's just pull it out of the box here. And this charger has these really nice handles on the side, so you can easily maneuver the charger around. Packaged very nicely, of course. And yeah, check it out. Wow, look at those fans. Keep it cool. There's your AC input there. It looks like a USB and maybe a USB-C plug for maybe charging your phone or updating. The other side has your XT90 plugs for both ports, and also the balance for both ports. There's the bottom. This thing feels like super solid. It's got some weight to it. It's got obviously it has a built-in power supply, so it's a little heavier than a normal charger would be. But like I said, this thing is a beast. Like, this is like more charger than I'll ever need, so it's gonna be great for me. Looks like it has these really nice buttons to navigate your charging menus. We'll put that aside here and take a look at what else is here. Let's see. Yep, your AC input. And then your balance connections. That's about all that comes in the box of the iSDT X16 charger. Really excited to give this charger a try, get it out to the field, get some packs charged, try the discharging, and just use it to its maximum capacity. At least try. This thing's a beast, so it's gonna be awesome. So you have your main battery ports right here, the XT90 plugs, port 1, port 2, and they look like this. This is just an optional XT90 that I bought that has wire already on it. So this just plugs right here. And then you would put your connectors on right here, whatever connector you want to use. So you guys will notice that the balance connections are a little bit different than what us hobbyists are used to. So this would actually plug into your charger. Which way does it go here? So this plugs into the charger, and now you're thinking, how do I plug this into my hobby battery, something like this that has the regular balance leads? So basically, you have these adapters that you have to buy separately at Progressive RCs, where you can get these currently. So this actually plugs in to here, like that, and then that allows you to plug in your battery balance lead into here, so you can balance charge your LiPo battery. And that also goes for the other side as well. They're both the same, so you would need two of these, one for each side. I'll leave a link in the description of where you can get all this. And then this is just optional, but for me, I want to do parallel charging so I can utilize the power output of this charger to its fullest. So you get these. These are parallel adapters. So you're able to charge 4 off of one board. So I have 2 boards, so that means I can actually do 8 batteries, 4 on each side, all at the same time. And you could do that 20 amps on each side. So it makes it really convenient for charging whatever battery it is. 6S LiPos, technically I could do 8 6S 5000s all at the same time at 20 on each side, 20 amps on each side. So it's really convenient for getting all your packs charged, simple. And also I will leave the link for these as well from Heli Direct. So that'll just about do it, guys, for the unboxing and first look of the iSDT X16 charger. I'm super excited to get this thing plugged in and set up and get some packs charged. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on just how I like it after a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe if you enjoy this content and want to see more content. And also get everything here at helidirect.com. Thank you again. Later.